Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Review Chains. Today it's going to be a video on how to play PUBG Mobile with your PlayStation 4 controller wirelessly. I'm going to show it to you in a couple of easy steps. The only thing that you will need is your phone, an application and your computer to activate it. Yeah, if you like this kind of video and you want to see more, just hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and if you have any questions, write them down below in the comments. Let's start. So ladies and gentlemen, the first step you need to do is activate your developer options. You need to go to settings, then you scroll all the way down. This is a OnePlus 8 Pro. In my case I have to tap here about phone, and here you can see your build number. So you have to tap a couple times on it, 7 times. As you can see, in my case, no need, you are already a developer because I have already activated it. When you just press on it like 6-7 times, you will get the message, developer options are now activated. When you have done that, you go back and go to System, and in System you see here now Developer Options. You press on Developer Options, and then you will have to search for USB debugging. Now as you can see here, it's already turned on. What you have to do is press it one time and turn it on. That's all there is to it for step 1. Now the second step, you need to go to your Play Store and you search for Panda Gamepad, and then you will find Panda Gamepad Pro. This is the one you need to download. It costs like $5 to $6. Note that if it doesn't work from the Play Store, you can always download other versions for free on the internet. You just have to type in Panda Gamepad Pro APK. When you write down APK, you will find some different links with different versions of the applications. Why am I saying it? I really support the Panda Gamepad Pro and I want you to buy it from the store, but in my case it happened once with the Samsung S20. I bought it from the store, it wasn't working very well, so I had to download another one from the internet, a previous version, and it was working just fine. So if you buy it from the store and it doesn't work well, you can always download free versions. Just tap in Google Panda Gamepad Pro APK, and you will have different links and different versions to download until you find the good one that works and supports your phone for 100%. Now, since we have installed the app, we're going to open it up, and as you can see, there's no device connected and we need to activate it. Now first of all, we're going to connect our device. Our device in this case is a PlayStation 4 wireless controller, a beautiful one. We need to open up our Bluetooth settings and click on Pair New Device, like this. I'm going to put the phone to the side. Now what you need to do on your PlayStation 4 controller, you need to press the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time, like this. Voila. Now wait until it starts blinking. Voila. Now if you can see, there's a lot of light. So as you can see now, it is blinking. You can see this? So now it is ready to be recognized and paired. Voila, there it is. So as you can see now, a wireless controller. I'm gonna press on it. This. Voila. And our device is paired now. Okay, so now our Bluetooth device is connected. And when we go back to Panda Gamepad app, you see that the device is connected. It sees this as 2 devices, the wireless controller and the wireless controller touchpad. Okay, voila. So the first step of connecting the controller is done. It's very easy. You turn on your Bluetooth. I repeat, you press this button and this button until this light starts shining. Then you know the joystick is ready to be connected to your phone. You connect it, and that's all there is to it. The Panda Gamepad Pro will recognize your joystick automatically, and it will also recognize automatically the games that you have installed. You can also add some, but for example, I just installed PUBG. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for activating the app, you need to press Act on the activation. Then you have a choice. You can choose to activate it by computer. It's completely for free and very easy. Just follow the steps. Or you can activate it with a Panda activator, but I don't recommend that one. You need to buy some extra hardware. So we're going to do it by PC. Now, when you press on it, it tells you to visit this link. On this link, you download one file. When you download that file, you open it up, there's an activator, and then you can activate your phone. I'm gonna show you how. Now we're gonna download the file. We need to visit this link, and there we can get the file very easily. Let's start. So we're gonna activate it with the PC. Now it's waiting for activation, as you can see here. Plug in the USB cable. Now, ladies and gentlemen, open up your browser, and here you have to put in the link that you could see on your application and hit enter, and you will be immediately redirected to this page where you can see activator for Windows and activator for Mac. In our case, it's an activator for Windows that we are going to download. Press on it and save the file. Once your file is downloaded, you will have a raw file. You need to extract it just like this. Voila. Now you can open up the tool, and when you open up the tool, the first thing you will see is activate. Now you double press on this one. We'll give it a second. Now your phone will ask you if you want to allow USB debugging. You have to allow and press try again. In this case, it's written in Dutch. Voila. Now that's all there is to it actually. Now your Panda Gamepad app is activated. Though there's one special thing that you need to understand. If you turn off your phone, you will have to repeat this activation process, or you will not be able to play with your controller. Now it's not as big of an issue as it sounds, since your phone, it will only deactivate when your battery really runs out. So if you want to play the game on the road with your controller and you're scared that you will have to reactivate it, just make sure your battery doesn't go low or turn off your phone. Ladies and gentlemen, we have activated developer options and USB debugging. We installed the application, we connected the controller and activated the application. Now there's only one little important thing, and handy actually. As you can see here on the top of your screen, you see a little panda face head. When you press it like this, you can see your controls, your PlayStation 4 controller controls and overlay, and here you can move them away or put them somewhere where you like, or change your controls the way you prefer it. And when you press this button here, you can't see it very clearly, there's a settings button there. When you press on that, you can change the opacity of your controls. See, like not seeing them at all. And you can also change the speed of your controller. Voila. Now we're gonna press OK. Voila. This is this, and now we are completely set up and we can start playing. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it works perfectly, no issues at all. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial on how to play PUBG with your PlayStation 4 controller wireless. It's very easy, as you could see. You don't need to root your phone, you won't get banned for this. If you have any questions, just write them down below in the comments. Hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and if it was useful for you, please hit the like button. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we hope to see you in the next one. Enjoy gaming!